Hi, this is Bernadette and welcome to teachersinbox.com. In this video, your children will learn a new sound, D. In the previous videos, your children had learned 4 sounds where they were able to blend words and phrases and more words and phrases to be added with the D sound. So what are you waiting for? Please put your children in front of the monitor and let's get started. Let's review our sounds. Tell me, what sound is it? That's right. What sound is it? Good job. What sound is it? What sound is it? S. That's right. We are going to learn a new sound. This sound is D. Again. D. Again. D. Repeat after me. D. D. Repeat after me. D. Again. D. All by yourselves. What sound is it? Again. That's right. D. Now let's do blending. 2 sounds to blend. D. 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 Say the word. What word? That's right. Add. What word? That's right. Add. 2 sounds to blend. Say the word. What word? 2 sounds to blend. S. Sound out. Get ready. Begin. What word? That's right. As. 3 sounds to blend. D. 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 Sound out. Get ready. Begin. Say the word. What word? That's right. Mad. What word? Mad. I'm going to show you what is mad. Now look at the picture. This is a face of mad. Again, mad. Let's read a word. What word? And how is the man? That's right, mad. How is the man? That's right, mad. Now 3 sounds to blend. S, a, d. S, a, d. S, a, d. Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? That's right, sad. Again, sad. I'm going to show you what is sad. Look at the picture of this man's face. How is the man? Sad. Again, how is the man? That's right, sad. Again, what word? That's right. Now let's read phrases. What word is it? That's right, am. 3 sounds to blend. D. Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. That's right. What word? Now let's read the phrase. Get ready, begin. Read the phrase. What phrase? That's right. Am mad. Am mad. Am mad. Good job. Now another phrase to read. What word? That's right. Am. 3 sounds to blend. S, a, d. S, a, d. S, a, d. Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Now let's read a phrase. Say the phrase. What phrase? That's right. Am sad. What phrase? Am sad. Another phrase to read. What word? That's right. A. 3 sounds to blend. R, a, m. Sound out, get ready, begin. Ram. Say the word. That's right. What word? Now let's read a phrase. Say the phrase. That's right. A ram. I'm going to show you a picture of a ram. Now look. A ram. What animal is it? That's right. A ram. Say the sentence about what animal is it? That's right. It is a ram. One more time. It is a ram. All by yourself. Say the sentence about what animal is it? That's right. It is a ram. Another phrase to read. What word? That's right. Am. 3 sounds to blend. S, a, m. Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Now let's read a phrase. Say the phrase. What phrase? That's right. Am Sam. For our language, your children will learn name of fruits. Now, let's get started. This fruit is a strawberry. A strawberry. Repeat after me. A strawberry. Again, a strawberry. That's right. A peach. A peach. Repeat after me. A peach. Again, a peach. That's right. A lemon. Again, a lemon. Repeat after me. A lemon. A lemon. A banana. A banana. Again, a banana. Repeat after me. A banana. A banana. A banana. That's right. A watermelon. A watermelon. Repeat after me. A watermelon. A watermelon. A melon. A melon. Repeat after me. A melon. A melon. Good job. A grape. A grape. Repeat after me. A grape. A grape. A cherry. A cherry. Repeat after me. A cherry. A cherry. Now this time, all by yourselves, tell me what fruit is it? That's right, a strawberry. I can say the sentence about what fruit is it. It is a strawberry. Again, it is a strawberry. Repeat after me. It is a strawberry. It is a strawberry. That's right. What fruit is it? Good job. A peach. What fruit is it? That's right. A peach. I can say the sentence. It is a peach. Say the sentence with me. It is a peach. Again, it is a peach. All by yourselves. What fruit is it? That's right, a peach. Say the sentence about what fruit is it? That's right, it is a peach. What fruit is it? That's right, a cherry. Say the sentence about what fruit is it? That's right, it is a cherry. What fruit is it? Good job, a lemon. Say the sentence about what fruit is it? That's right, it is a lemon. What fruit is it? A banana. That's right. Say the sentence about what fruit is it? Now let's do chanting. A strawberry, a strawberry. It is a strawberry. A peach, a peach. It is a peach. A lemon. It is a lemon. A grape, a grape. A melon, a melon. Very good. Thank you for watching the video. If this is your first time in this channel, please consider to click the subscribe button and the bell notification for more video updates.